Hi guys, Wednesday again. These weeks are literally disappearing. So, hobby update this week. Wow, what have I done? I can't remember. Not a great deal, to be honest. Been a lot of building minis again. I've got all the Indomitors set now built and prepped. So I'm onto conversions of those. That's going to be good. I'm enjoying having them just ready to paint now. That's good. The Redemptor's finished. This chap, so video on that coming soon. Tweaked the Ravenwing stuff a little bit, video on these coming soon, and I think that's it. I've not done a great deal. I've done a bit of reading hobby wise, so it's been quite a slow hobby week. Not the best update, not being a massive amount on, busy with work. What have you guys been up to? Yeah, that's it. This week's video is done, so that's good. At least no rushing there. Back onto Space Marines now for the next 3 or 4 weeks, I think. So yeah, happy times. Stay tuned for that. Make sure you give me a sub. Let me know down in the comments if there's anything that you would like to see me paint as part of my Dark Angels force. I've got some pretty good stuff coming up, I think, but you know, I'm always happy to mix things up. So yeah, let me know. Let me know what you've been working on, and have a great week hobbying. Right guys, I'll see you all on Saturday. See ya.